All right, we're back out here at Fowler Park with the developer Mini behind us. We've already started to do some troubleshooting beyond what we did since we were out here at Fowler Park earlier this morning. We are now getting out the Legion Go after failing to connect to any ground control software program, really just QGroundControl and Mission Planner via my MacBook via Bluetooth. We are successfully able to connect to QGroundControl on my phone via Bluetooth. However, the phone version of QGroundControl, at least the version I have on my phone, does not allow you to set what's called the EKF Origin point. So now we're going on the Legion and we're going to connect to the iVue RC app. I'm going to start a screen recording here really quickly. New. Dun, da, 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 da. Starting the screen recording. Screen recording started. Almost dropped the Legion. Going to worldsiVue.com. Connecting to drone. And look how quickly we're connected. Just
That's pretty nice.
great software, the greatest software. Mohit, you're hired. Well, promoted. 100% pay raise. All right, and going to the options menu, set origin, and let's see. Touchscreen UI, not the greatest. I press set origin. Mohit, there's no sort of indication that it's working.
It should respond with EKF Origin.
Home set.
Yeah.
And it's not looking like it's doing that.
Does not appear so.
Lovely.
Great connectivity, but
functionality. Yeah. Let's try the dev environment. Let's see if we have any better luck there. So I guess Mohit, even though this isn't the official 1.6 update video, this video and the last video serves somewhat that purpose, I guess. Now to the dev version, iVue RoboControl add. Dun, 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 dun. Nope. All right, I pressed it, so if it didn't show up, then.
Nope.
And just to verify, yeah, so it looks like that button.
Okay.
Wow, great functionality.
On to the next option. See,
So you can fix damaged goods. You can't fix, well, I guess we don't know that the goods are fixed either. Back to QGroundControl here, and then maybe via the low latency mode, or is it high latency mode, we can keep the connection established and I can set the EKF point.
Okay. That's funny that your QGroundControl on the Legion always works. It's always been the opposite for me. Like Mission Planner always was the one that I used to lean on to work with the Legion.
Mission Planner I think it actually does work better on the Legion, but I just prefer QGroundControl because I'm not, an engineer developer type, and while QGroundControl isn't the most intuitive software, it's certainly more of this century than Mission Planner looks to be. But I don't think we were having problems earlier today.
Yeah, we were, but it was working on my computer, so this would be something up with the Legion. You checked your COM ports?
Using all these sort of experimental devices, man. Who could have thought something's...
Is it device manager? Check your COM port. I doubt you reset it here, so you have a ton.
Right.
Why is that?
Exactly. And I don't think this will tell us either.
It should.
Man.
I'll have to go back and read the documentation on that. No, don't do that.
Yeah, all right.
But
Scratch
sometimes you have
that.
to change the baud rate of the COM port.
Scratch that all on the. You know that one? It's
No.
like old school Akon, smack that.
Oh, I know, smack that.
Okay, look at that. Automatic connection and QGroundControl. Although we're probably going to get disconnected here. Wow, way to have faith, Jacob. Application settings, com links.
Why do you think it's...
So, all right, it's the MLRS. Wow, look at that. Called it. And high latency mode. Oh, I don't think, so we're not going to be able to do the compass calibration this way using high latency mode.
Man, okay.
Dude, we are just all sorts of SOL.
And your Mac just didn't work?
So I think what we'll need to do is I need to disconnect it, and then I think we can make it work on the Mac. It's just...
I think at this point we're down to
Yeah.
USB connections.
All right, let's try to make it work quickly on the Mac, and then if not, we'll just use USB via the Mac anyway.
Okay, I'm gonna...
All right, stopping the recording there. Legion, you have failed us for the last time. I don't even know if you needed that sync, but
I'm gonna disconnect then, or...
Because we got a recording clap at the beginning as well, so figured an extra clap, you know, little claps never hurt anyone, right?
The clap definitely has hurt somebody.
I can make your hands clap. Do, 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 do.
Is there no... So...
All right.
You don't have Mission Planner on this guy?
I do, but...
Do Mission Planner.
Do Mission Planner. Dude, never, dude. I will...
Do it.
I will kill myself before succumbing to the ways of Mission Planner over QGroundControl wherever possible. All right.
I think you need to send the Legion back with me, then I can figure out what's going on with your
Yeah.
device. Because,
Fix it, Gerardo.
it doesn't seem like it's working anymore.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Bluetooth.
Are you connected still to your phone?
No, it shouldn't be. I'll turn off Bluetooth completely just to be on the safe side. It looks like right now it's just connected to my handy dandy best smartwatch that's ever been made.
You were early on the smartwatch.
I was the first one with the smartwatch, first one with wireless charging. I am the ultimate transcender.
You were the first one with the digital credit card, I don't remember.
Yeah, I forgot what it was called. I think it was just called Coin.
All your cards in one card, so that way when somebody robs your card, they got all the cards on it.
Yeah. Foolproof. The real bummer was just, you know, the company went under and it all stopped working after, you know, a handful of years.
Yeah. How many cards could you have on that one card?
I think 8.
Yeah. Sounds like a great idea until you lose it.
Well, then you can like remotely disable it, and I think it had like a low power, you know, sort of like tracker or whatever in it. All right. Why the will you not cooperate with us here?
See, I gave up
PT.
on that. I gave up on that strategy that you're doing right there.
Yeah, well,
I always had to connect to it via COM port.
it's Dark History Month, right? All right, so yeah, we're going USB. GD, G freaking D.
I'm getting cold too. Nah, it's fine.
Coyote on the loose. Oh, werewolves London. Boom, 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 boom.
This is going to be interesting. Calibration. Do you want me to hold the computer while you...
Actually, I'll just move my trusty backpack table because, you know, who wants to actually lug a folding table out here, you know, all the way this way. Oh my God. And of course, now even the USB is going to give us a freaking problem. I have to get out the USB hub.
Wow. We are...
Dude, we're running into
0-4.
striking out. Look at that. Here we go. I may want to take off the props though, but we'll see if we can. Just not actually from like a worry about it arming.
Yeah, just turning. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm no bitch. So much for the family friendly.
Do everything.
Oh, and yeah, so it looks like the external compass was. Oh, wait, no, both of them are showing up as external. We definitely need to go into Mission Planner then. Hold on, let me do that.
Okay, that's a good sign.
Oh, and I'm not recording. Let me...
Well, you just recorded something that was wrong, so...
All right, and we are here in QGroundControl. Well, I'm not talking. All right. And I just enabled one of the compasses that wasn't enabled with a check mark, but as I mentioned, we're going to open up Mission Planner. And this is one of the features Mission Planner has that QGroundControl does not, where you can see all of the available compasses and change the order of them. So we might have found our issue. We may not be getting to test it all out.
Should do auto, since you're connected via USB.
I'm gonna bet this 101. Yeah, look at that.
Okay, EKF Origin point, set that while you're on that screen.
Isn't it here, something like that?
Yeah, it should be. Under home.
Yeah. Just the oh so lovely Mission Planner UI. All right, the mag field, that's fine. We have my computer here connected to it. I meant to hit setup, compass. All right, and so only 2 are showing up. We don't have a third compass, which is kind of weird because there should be an internal compass, but.
We will need the internal compass from the flight controller.
Let's see then. I'm going to do a quick little Google here. Pixhawk 6C compass missing. Let's see what QGroundControl shows. It might still both as Mission Planner did. I square C 0 and I square C 2. So maybe something with the bridge, but the bridge was set up the same way previously, right? I mean,
What do you mean by the bridge?
that I square C hub or bridge that allows us to connect multiple.
Yeah.
All right, let's just see.
I think we solved the mystery, but unfortunately it sounds like we need to do more digging on trying to figure out why we're not seeing the flight controller's compass.
Yeah. One solid compass calibration. I mean, obviously one's in the yellow, but we're going to call this one priority 1 and this one priority 2.
Then reboot.
And hit OK, and parameters, and tools, and reboot, and then OK.
Did you calibrate anything else, accelerometer? Is there the easy ones we can just do real quick?
Yeah, we can do that. I have not done that since we started running into issues.
It's all right.
Sensors, gyro. Maybe that was even it too. Gyros were inconsistent. I mean, and then set estimator origin.
I think it's still trying to reboot.
Connect, yeah. All right. I say we give it a go.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing else we can do really right now to understand whether the compass isn't showing, so we can try and see if that resolves the issue. Now you got less people to hit, so.
Nice. Oh man, I mean.
I would like to see Mission Planner up, and so I can see the status message.
I don't think we're gonna be successful in getting.
Oh yeah, the Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay. I'll just have to read it off the controller as you're flying, I guess. Right?
Yeah. And now, of course, this Bluetooth menu isn't even working.
Yeah, let's just. It's
Hold
not gonna. No flight control software. We just use the controller.
Connect. All right, we're getting there. Give it to me. All right. Fuck it, we're doing it live. I think we should be able to get the Legion up and going. Oh, I didn't stop the recording here, I think. Stopped recording.
The downside of flying with this in the dark is you can't see your freaking buttons. Hope you have this memorized.
Yeah, of course.
At least the Hereflow mode is just at 90, and then everything else to the left of it is GPS, so it shouldn't be hard to rotate the knob. At least trying to figure out where you're at with that. Also did see that you want the calibration values to be between negative 200 and positive 200, and our values were like 500. So if we see anything like above that, we're probably still having the issue that we're having.
Whoops, I was only recording part of the screen. Dun 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 dun. Dun. There, I'll change up my jingle. Oh my goodness. Hopefully that's a loud enough sync. Add drone, connect to drone. Will it just connect as it should? Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Why can't just every other device and pairing work as well as this one does?
A Windows computer does it, but
we are recording on the Legion. I did like a belly slap sync.
All right.
There.
Okay.
Do you want to switch and?
Yeah. So, take it off like you normally would. Loiter mode. We're not. It should be just flying normally.
Should be.
Motors armed.
Oh, okay. Sounded sketch for a second.
Just because I'm flying it doesn't mean it's going awry, Gerardo. Just most of the time.
All right. Take it up a little higher.
And higher off the ground.
A little higher.
I can't get enough.
All right. And then go ahead and start the calibration. It's that switch.
The closest one, right?
Yep. And then go ahead. Go.
Do you have the terminal window open?
Yeah, and we're just getting zeros across the board now.
We are a couple of zeros.
Yeah, it's not working.
All right, I flipped the switch back.
Yeah, there was no values. Try it again, but swing it. Try not to jiggle it too much. Yep.
Anything?
No.
What do you do, Gerard? Probably because it's too dark, no? But then you would think...
I think it works better in the dark.
Dark, yeah. Bring it down a little bit and still nothing?
No.
All right, just switch it back on.
No. Maybe it's too dark. But yeah, that wouldn't make sense.
All right, what we may need to do is just set this up completely from scratch.
Okay.
Unless you have another way of...
No, I don't. I'm kind of out of ideas.
All right. Well, we will come back to this Developer Mini with the Hereflow sensor and Terra Ranger rangefinder to get optical flow back up and running as it once was. In the meantime, we are going to be shifting back gears to a thermal camera build with a Developer HP, so you have that to be on the lookout for in the next few days or so.
Okay.
But in the meantime, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.